In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a LinkedIn post on your Facebook business page, a quick and simple task that should only take about 5 minutes. Sharing LinkedIn content on Facebook can be a seamless way to connect with your different audiences across platforms, keeping them engaged with consistent and valuable information. Let's get started by directing your browser to LinkedIn's homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. You can do this either through your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address and password. It's important to take a moment here to ensure your login information is secure, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. If you've enabled two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn account, you might need to verify your identity. LinkedIn will send a code to your registered phone number, so have your phone handy to ensure a smooth login process. Once you're logged in, it's time to locate the LinkedIn post you wish to share. This could be a recent post from you or something engaging you found in your feed that resonates with your brand's message on Facebook. A relevant and thoughtfully chosen post will not only draw attention but also add value to your audience on Facebook. Now, with the post in sight, look to the top right corner of the post. You'll see the More icon, which is represented by 3 dots. Go ahead and click on this icon. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find the option to copy link to post. Click that to copy the post link directly to your clipboard. After selecting this option, you should see a brief notification at the bottom corner of your screen confirming that the link has been copied to your clipboard. Once you see this, you're all set to head over to Facebook. Now navigate to your Facebook business page. Here you'll create a new post. This is where you'll be pasting the LinkedIn post link you just copied. With a fresh post ready, simply right click and select paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac to insert the link. Finally, before you hit the post button, ensure the content looks good in the preview. You might want to add a short caption or commentary that provides context or encourages your Facebook followers to check out the post. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and make your post live on your business page. And there you have it. Your LinkedIn content is now shared seamlessly on your Facebook business page. This quick and simple process allows you to expand your content's reach and engage with audiences across multiple platforms effectively. Be sure to regularly check on interactions and comments on your posts, as this engagement can offer valuable insights. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful.